Welcome to the Zix TV. I am the Zix, and we're gonna beat this Rubik's Cube here. Now this isn't the Rubik's Cube brand name or anything. I picked this up at Dollar Tree for $1. It's Dollar Tree is a dollar store, and I've been playing around with it, and as you can see, it's all messed up. But I have managed to get some of it correct. This part here, and this is gold, red, gold with red, gold with purple, and pink. So I can move this, and it's a cheapie, so it doesn't always work right. I can move this without disturbing what I've already done, and we can move this without disturbing. But I've been playing with this for a couple weeks, and this is as far as I've managed to get with it. So and every time I try to get something in the right position, I get something else in the right position, and it undoes what I did. So I've been thinking about this, and I came up with the perfect solution to beat this Rubik's Cube. So we're going to do this for the first time on camera on the Zix TV. I'm going to finish this partially completed Rubik's Cube here and show you the trick. Now there's science behind this and legend. So are you ready for the solution? Are you ready for this? I will let you inspect every side of this cube. You can see this one's all messed up. We've got partially correct here. We have partially correct here, partially correct there, and partially correct here. Let's see, have I shown all of these sides? And then this side here. So, let's get to it. Start your timers. We'll see how quickly we can do this. Now it starts with this block here. This block offends me. I don't know if it's the colors, but I find this block very offensive. I don't know if it's the colors or if it's just because it refuses to cooperate and get into proper position. But here's what I'm going to do here. We're gonna rotate it out a bit, and get my finger in there, and get out of there. Just do it. Oh, I hurt my finger. Okay, let's rotate it. Let's rotate it like this, so that we're not going to mess up what we've already done. That's a good idea. Good. Out of there. There. And another one came loose. This one here. Alright. So, we've made some progress. Let's get some of these others here. We've made some progress in solving this Rubik's Cube. You come out. You come out. You offend me. You offend me as well. Same for you. Get out of there. Oh. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now, let's see here. I gotta put, okay, this is incorrect. There. Now don't fall completely apart on me. Okay, so we have golden red and golden pink. That is correct. So where is my, is it pink? We need gold, red, and green. Gold, red, and green. So we're going to put you like that. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. And then I need golden green. That's a corner. Golden red. Where's my golden green? And it's pink and silver. What happened to my golden green? Ooh, is this it? Let's get you in there. Sorry about that. And then we need gold, pink, and green. So we'll figure this out. Sorry about that. Gold, pink, and green. That's pink and silver. Let's see, what have we got here? I need gold. There's gold. What's this? Gold, pink, and green. Wait. Let's do it correctly here. Okay, we got that. Stay in there. Just do it. Then we need pink and green. Where did I see? I saw it right here. And then we need green and red. There's a bunch of reds. That's red and silver. Green and red. I'm going to put you like that. See if I can hold this without it falling apart. Now what do we need? Silver and green. So we're going to put you in there. Pink, green, and silver. Pink, green, and silver. Here we go. I'm going to put you like that. And then we need red, green, and silver. Okay. Making progress here. Yeah. Got one full side. Let's see if I can hold it so it doesn't fall apart. Now we need pink and silver. There's pink and silver. We'll just slide you in there. Oh, it's on the other side here. Red and silver. Nope. Wrong one. Here's red and silver. We'll slide you in there. Oops, I did it wrong. No, that's not right. Okay. Silver, pink, and purple. Oh wait, we should do the middle first. Alright, we need silver and purple. Let's do the middle. It's going to be difficult to get in there. Do you like that? Yeah. Now we can do this. gonna do that. What else? We need purple and pink. Put you like that. Red is on the top there, and so we'll put you like this. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I did it the wrong way. Okay. I don't know. Try it like this. There we go. Silver, purple, and red. Put you in there. Get on there. I got you out. There we go. We're almost finished. Yeah. Let's do the middle part. Which one is the middle? So we're gonna push you in there. Like so. And then we got gold and purple and red. So boop 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 like that. You would go like that. There we go. And that leaves pink, gold. Let's see. Like this. Pink, gold, and purple. Just get you in there. Right on there. Right on there. Oh, I did it. I did it. I solved this puzzle. Look at that. Amazing. Sometimes I even amaze myself. Isn't that what Han Solo said? And you don't even have to be all that strong to do this. You start with a corner and you pull that out. I mean, look at this arm. Not much muscle on it. Let me show you my upper arm here. Can we get that? Not much muscle. I'm a wimp. And if the Zix, a wimp, can do this, you can do it as well. You can solve a Rubik's Cube. Just like that. Amazing. And so you just pry this this corner out to get started, and as we saw, the rest of it comes right apart. This is the proper way to fix a Rubik's Cube, to solve a Rubik's Cube. This puppy has been solved. You have been solved. You have been dealt with. You troublesome such and such. Yes. Check that out. So that is how to solve a Rubik's Cube. That Zix style. How to solve a Rubik's Cube Zix style. Doing it right. This is the right way to do it. Yep. That's a thing of beauty there. Check that out. And that'll be it for this video. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Thank you for watching.